Let's go, boys!
I'm currently putting the geese to sleep for tomorrow's hunt, and it is looking more promising than I thought it would be. We suspected them to roost here, but as it's getting dark right now, I'm watching group after group after group after group leave. So it's really good news. So we're gonna keep watching them. Roughly from what I seen here today, and I didn't get to check it till way late, there's about 2 to 250 here. Should be a good hunt. Tomorrow's the last day, so we'll continue to put these birds to bed and see what happens, but it should be pretty good, I think. Well, we've made it to the last day of goose season, boys. It is come upon us way too quick, but we're here and we're hopefully gonna get after them. Hunting my home course today. We are golf course, I mean. You may have seen it before in pictures past, videos, whatever. My aunt owns it. It's been loaded with geese for the longest time. We got some ice rippers running today, filling the ponds, keeping them open. We got 13 guys last day. We're gonna have some fun. Hopefully shoot some geese. Get on film for everybody. So I just parked the truck, dropped all the stuff off up there. There was 9 sleeping on the pond, so that's better than like the 200 to 400 that have been coming here. Just depends on the day. But we should kill them. They're coming in small groups, and hopefully not too big of groups, but from what they left at the roost last night, I'll throw some clips in here. They're leaving in small enough groups where we should be able to put some numbers up, but until we get up there, I'll see you up there. Well, we got all set up, running in roughly 10-ish dozen, half full bodies, half silhouettes, right on our pond, so should smash them. We're in snow covers, got a southwest wind, gonna be like 15 to 20 mile an hour, coming straight over our back, sun to our right, and they've been all over this course. I mean, there's tracks everywhere. I mean, it's just loaded. We're sitting right over here. I'll have to show you the spread, but got 13 guys, 13 guns, can shoot 65 geese. If we shoot 40, I'll be happy. Pretty happy with 40, but give it a shot. Well, it's going on 8 o'clock. Haven't seen no birds yet, but sun's coming up. Should be a good flight day, I would think, but nothing yet. Just waiting on them for them to show up. So keep going, see what happens, but it is freezing. It's like 22 and like 20 mile an hour winds. Definitely don't have enough clothes on today, but that's what we're dealing with. We got some ice rippers running, keeping water open, 10 dozen. Should be good. That's all I get. What are they doing? Kill him! Yeah. I think they would have done it if we weren't screwing around.
All standing out in the open.
Hey, he's coming back, Josh.
First pass, but
3 or 4. 3 or 4. No, the goose coming back.
You got Volta? Yeah, it's loaded. Are there 2 over there?
right, 1 o'clock.
All right, more coming on the right.
They're cupped.
Big fucking line coming to the right, too. Real big.
Hey, there's two groups.
Land 4, land the 4.
2 groups.
More
Land the 4. Land the 4.
There's a lot coming, bro. Like fucking fish coming way back.
If you check legs, call it out. It's your only exception.
Please land. Kill him! Oh, there's a big group out back too. Watch that low one going towards the thing. Oh, he got up. He got up.
On the right, 4 jumping in.
Hey, right here on the right. Oh, we're getting after him now. Kill him! They were a little far. They're setting up. Kill him!
Leg band right here.
Let's go, boys!
Yeah.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Leg band right here. Let's go, boys.
Hey, on the right, on the right! On the right!
There, I know there is.
Can you shoot that? He can't fly, I don't think. Hey, just get down, Josh. Just get down. Just get down. On the right, they're setting up. On the right, they're setting up.
They're coming in.
Load up, load up.
No, the
Shell?
yeah.
Nope, let it go.
My trigger finger.
This?
Oh, my fucking hand.
There you go.
Another group out front.
Yeah.
One.
Big group out front, big group. Hot and heavy, boys, hot and heavy. There's like 60 coming. Here they come, they're setting up.
Yeah, there's another big group.
Big group coming.
Really big group behind them.
Hey, they're cupped. They're cupped. They're cupped.
Settle down.
There's two coming up the gut too. Here they come. Kill 'em! Hey, watch that sailor, watch that sailor. Alright, he's down. Dude, they are doing it so dirty. Oh, let's go! Let's go! We just smashed another group. Huh? No, we might have to get a fishing pole. But we are smashing them. Absolutely smashing them. Doing it dirty. Friggin' geese everywhere. Let's go. We got one on the green. We're not allowed to go get it. But we'll get a fishing pole or something. Try to get them. We are greasing them. I mean, 13 shooters and groups of 20 to 30 do it like that. It's gonna get nasty quick. We got 3 leg bands. Let's go. Let's go. We'll stay after him. Cody's gonna have the GoPro rolling, so we should be good. Let's go. Let's go. Dirty. Nope. No, wait on the left. This group's gonna swing over us. Unless you see a leg band. Kill him.
He shot that one.
Get it?
Yeah. He flew right over.
Way back there.
Damn, that thing's fresh. 1328. It's not from around here. That's a moose knee band. I'm gonna say that's moose knee.
Yeah, I don't know why, but she's here for the 2.
Well, just got a hard count. We're at 44 so far. I would say we've seen like 80%-ish of the birds that have been here, so we'll see if any more strays come. But it's weird because the ones that went west on us last night for the roost haven't even come that way yet. All the ones we've been seeing have been coming from the east, so I don't know if they're new birds or fresh birds or what, but we haven't seen any come from the west just yet. We're at 44, we need 21 more to shoot a limit. I mean, I'm stoked already, but they've been doing it dirty. It was hot and heavy for a half an hour, and now we're just kind of at a standstill, but we got 4 leg bands. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet.
Kill him!
No, go to that one on the left.
That one's going down.
So, a little bit of a lull. We went on a walk and picked up some cripples that sailed away. We're at a total of 55, 5 bands when I was walking to get those cripples way down there and just making sure we got everything cleaned up. Like a 10 pack came in while I was gone, and of course one was banded, so I'm gonna miss out on that one, but overall, awesome day. Also, Josh's buddy never came, so we only have 12 guys, so we need 5 geese to bang out this 12-man limit, and we'll be out of here. But we're 5 short right now. I thought we had 13, so I thought we had 10 to go, but we only need 5 more. We're at 55. It's been a great morning so far. 100 geese in 2 days, unbelievable. I'll probably throw some clips in from yesterday off of Cody's GoPro. Didn't really film much yesterday. Wasn't my spot. Didn't want to ruin it for some guy, so. But smash them today, so can't beat it. Can't beat it. Great way to end the season.
They're fresh birds. They haven't seen us yet. Good shooting, smellers. That's hot. Oh God. Florida boys. Yo, that one is way on a run. Doesn't have a shell in. Oh, you got it. Kill him. I say try him. Yeah, we could have dumped those 4.
They do that again, I'm shooting.
Yeah, we could have dumped those 4, no problem.
What about this single?
Yeah. I thought I heard a kill him, but I sat up and I had to look
Yeah, I
down
looked
the line.
down. I was like, I don't know if anyone else is shooting. Already done. The redhead's just sitting there. Don't shoot it.
Don't shoot that redhead.
Try him, Dustin. Try him.
Got his ass. Oh God, baby.
The other two's going to the field. Guess I kill these two.
Well, there's more than two.
They came from behind us.
Oh, just wrapped it up. No more came, ended with 55. Took photos, just cleaning up now. All the hard work. Clean up time. Heck of a way to end the season. Can't beat it. See ya.